ATTU Asian Cup 2025. Watch the full event on ATTU YouTube channel.
First game, going to serve Latov.
Manyu gets us underway and immediately impresses with that change of direction. The inside-out backhand requires a fair degree of contortion to pull off well. Manyu into an early 2-0 lead. Let's make that 3-0. Eunhye needs to settle herself. Looked a little bit flabbergasted at that last rally. She and the net cord combine for her first point. Manyu, though, certainly doesn't look as if she needs to settle into this contest. Right on top of it from the very first round.
1-5.
Error there. And she dismissively just kicked the ball away, or slapped it away with her paddle.
7-2.
Seems to be a minor stumble in the grand scheme of things, though, doesn't it? If I'm not mistaken, I think WANG Manyu went undefeated in the mixed team event that happened in December.
4-7.
World mixed team event that happens now every December.
84.
China has hosted for the last 2 years and is set to do so again in 2025. 2 points from taking the first game in double quick time.
Split. 9-4. Five, 9.
Needed well to return that before drawing the error from Wang. Picked that one up from the very edge of the table. 6-9 down. One serve to come.
10-6.
Turns away in disgust though at her inability to control that slightly quicker ball played to her from Wang Manyu, who now has game point. Quickish set time-wise, but not going to mistake the 6 points garnered from the South Korean. Should give her some hope that she can compete.
Second game, lead to serve. Love all.
Just push that one over the edge.
Up one.
Looking to find a rare quarter of the table that's unguarded from Manyu. Has supremely quick reactions on that far side of the table, particularly on the backhand. Very fast hands, speed and control. Couldn't reach that though. On the very edge of the landing point. Slid off the paint. Oh, that slower loop ball just messed with Manyu's timing, and Eunhye finds herself now level at 2-all in the second game. A little bit of net helping Wang Manyu on her way there to a 3-point lead. Three does seem to have her timing down to perfection this evening. Manyu 4-2 up, 2 serves to come.
5-2.
Picks off both of those, now leads 6-2. And it looks like she's going to move to 2 games to love up in really double quick time. Saves 1 game point. There's a lot more needed though. And 1 wasn't good enough. Wang Manyu leads 2-love. And this Chinese crowd hoping to see their hero for an extended period.
Going to serve, love all.
So looking for a not overly strenuous evening. Wang Manyu, 2-0 up. We'll have high hopes of getting through this in a rapid fire 3-love victory. Let's not speak too soon though. That gets harder and harder with every minute that goes by. The Eunhye really up against it here. She did very well to fend off Manyu's attack, but there was a sense of inevitability about it. She does have good power, but it's the accuracy and the speed of movement, the effortless change of direction that is really doing the damage, not just to Li, but to just about every opponent she faces. A real athlete, natural-born athlete. Three-love becomes 4-love. With the ball in her hand, the writing is on the wall for Manyu. Striding towards. 3-love victory. I wonder if she's got a bagel on her mind here at 5-love in the third. Surely that's asking too much. Isn't it? And there we are. The bagel opportunity has gone. He gives herself a point. In utter silence in this indoor arena. Manyu strides gamefully towards a 3-love win. Oh, how about that? Just effortless, surgical accuracy, but the change of direction seems to require no effort whatsoever. And there's another example of it, although she was in a much better position to follow through down the line on the backhand. It was an easier decision to make and to execute.
2-9.
Li pulls back another point. Well, it's early days, but I'm going to stick my neck out and say that Manyu is now the favourite for this tournament. She was so impressive the last time I saw her. And she has, if anything, got even better here. Dream final between world number 1 and world number 2. Is that a possibility? Could be. Match point for her now. Li doing her best to make this final game respectable. And the best performance of the day belongs to Manyu. A pretty timely sweep. South Korean opponents. And she is looking very...
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.